Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to allow everyone to add you to groups and channels on Telegram using the new PC update. If you've ever missed out on group invitations or wondered why people couldn't add you, this quick setup will fix that in just a few simple steps. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and that the app is updated to the latest version, so you have all the new privacy features available. Once the app is open, take a look at the top left corner. You'll see three small horizontal lines. Click on them. This will open your main menu where you can access different sections like your profile, saved messages, and settings. Next, go ahead and select Settings from the menu. Inside the Settings area, click on Privacy and Security. This section controls who can contact you, see your information, and invite you to groups or channels. It's the key area for managing your visibility and connections on Telegram. Now, under Privacy and Security, find the option called Invites. This is where you can decide who's allowed to add you to group chats and channels. By default, Telegram might set this to My Contacts, which limits invites only to people you already know. But if you want to make it open for everyone, simply click on Invites and select everybody from the list. Once you've chosen everybody, don't forget to click on Save at the bottom. This step confirms your changes and makes sure the new setting is active. And that's it, you've now allowed everyone on Telegram to add you to groups and channels. From now on, you won't miss any community invites or group discussions. It's a great way to stay connected, join new channels, and discover fresh conversations and updates across Telegram.